Hello and welcome to this demonstration and test of a vintage manual conical burr coffee grinder. In this case we have what I believe is a PeDe or Dienes 610 Solida. A little bit tricky to know for sure because as you can see it's got a non-standard paint job. Somebody at some point in its past, probably quite a long time ago, has painted the grinder and then applied these transfers. Quite interesting, I feel. And also interesting because hand painting items like coffee grinders is a traditional form in Germany, and this has incorporated some elements of that and then some slightly unusual things, especially this interesting butterfly on the reverse. Anyway, the workings of the grinder are standard Dienes workings, so here we go. We're going to take 7 grams of coffee beans. We're going to put the grinder on its finest setting, and we're going to see how this grinder does for both speed of grind and consistency of grind. So 20 turns of the handle there. Let's have a look at the grind. That's what I would call a classic fine grind. Not quite powdery, on the borderline for most espresso machines I would have thought, but good for every other coffee maker. Thank you very much for watching. Hand decorated Dienes 610 Solida. Feel free to have a look at the links at the end of the video and in the description, and happy grinding.